Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. We are discussing chapter number 8 of History, New Questions and Ideas. In this module, we shall study about a new religion called Buddhism. This religion it was found around 2500 years ago by Gautam Buddha. Buddha, he was a contemporary of Lord Mahavira. He did not adopt strict rules but followed a middle path, which made the new religion more popular among the people. The real name of Buddha, it was Siddhartha Gautam. He was born in 563 BC in the forest of Lumbini, near Kapilvastu, in the foothills of Nepal. He was a Kshatriya prince. His father Shuddhodhan, he was a head of Sakyagana of Kapilvastu. His mother was Mahamaya, who passed away when he was just 7 days old. At the age of 19, Siddhartha married a beautiful princess named Yashodhara. They had a son named Rahul. Siddhartha was 29 years old when he left the comforts of his home in search of the highest spiritual knowledge. He attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya under a peepal tree. After this, he was known as Buddha or the wise man. He gave his first sermon or the discourse at Sarnath near Varanasi. He devoted the rest of his life to preach people. He travelled on foot from one place to another. He passed away at the age of 80 in 483 BC at Kushinagar in UP. Now we shall study about the main teachings of Lord Buddha, which includes the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path to Enlightenment. So what are these Four Noble Truths? Let's discuss over. Human life, it is full of suffering and sorrow. Sufferings and sorrow are caused by people's greedy desire for power, pleasure and possessions. Suffering and sorrow will end when people overcome their greed, or they will get nirvana or enlightenment. People can overcome their greed and uncontrolled desires by adopting the middle way or the eightfold path. And these eightfold path includes right belief, right thought, right speech, right action, right means of livelihood, right effort, right memory and right meditation. Buddha condemned animal sacrifice that were under Vedic rituals and preached ahimsa or non-violence. The result of our actions or karma affect us both in this life and the next, which was believed by Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha strongly condemned the caste system. He stressed on the moral values. There were many ways in which Buddha tried to spread this message to the people. He preached in Prakrit, the language of the ordinary people. He did not believe in caste system. All men and women, they could join the Buddhist Sangha. So due to its popularity, Buddhism, it is spread in many parts of the world. In the countries like Tibet, China, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Japan, etc. Even today, every parent wants that their children, they should know the story of Buddha, Lord Buddha. So this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.